Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Drea from Crochet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe to this video. Let's get right into today's crochet with me vlog. I made a mistake on the order vlog, what's off my hook vlog, just a vlog. I'll start with what's off my hook. This set to me is just so cute, plain and simple. So, and it's so cute because I think her feet are so small. These are shades of gray with a pop of color. So she wanted gray throughout, and I just popped a little color in there, and she ordered Le Crochet wristlet wallet to go with it. So I thought that was cute. I love how plain it is. I love how simple it is. Next we have a few pair of Spice Girl wavy clogs. So here's one pair. Okay, size 7. And then we have another pair in a size 9. And it just really goes to show how different these Spice Girls look. Like, no matter what, none of the Spice Girls are going to look the same. Like, that's what I love about them. I don't care if you use the same color or not. They're all going to come out just completely different. So this is the order. This is the order, and this actually goes with the blue wavy clog that I showed you on the last vlog, and I crocheted with y'all in the park. She ordered 2 pair in a multi and a blue, so she's all set. I also have, so this is where the mistake came in at. So this is now for sale. I just posted on my Instagram. This one is going to be for sale because I'm just going to finish it. I mixed up her colors with these, and my mistake was mixing 2 of the wrong colors. So I mixed the Army Fatigue with this, and that gets you this. But it was supposed to be the other. She sent me the other one. I'm always mixing the Army Fatigue with a multi because it eats down. But she sent the one she wanted was this with this, so you can see the difference. All right, so it's a little different, but somebody will buy these. They're still cute, and she loved them too. She was like, "Dang, they cute," but she must have really fell in love with this combination, and it really is cute. Ugh. And I had lip gloss on, and I just let that yarn touch my lips. I also have some on-hand sandals that I'm about to post on my Instagram. So these are a cute pair in the black and the multicolor, but it's this multicolor. So like y'all see the difference. I call this the retro. It's not called retro. I don't know what it's called, but it's from Hobby Lobby. So I have this pair, super cute. I have this pair. It's the blue and it's a blue, I got them on the wrong feet. Blue, tan, brown, cream. It's like a Cookie Monster. I love how these turned out as well. And then I also have these, the same thing. I just used pink this time. The pink and the same kind of color. So I like these. I think these came out adorbs. It's a cute thumbnail. Ooh, these. So these are actually my mom's, and I want to get your opinion on what I did, right? So I'll show you first the sandals. I made her sometime, I guess 2 summers ago, this cute little set, hat and halter top, and she was like, I wore my set again, and I realized now you're doing the sandals, so I want some sandals. So I made her some matching sandals to go with them. Now I'm going to show you these as you're looking at them, and you tell me what's the difference, right? You clearly see a difference. These are like loose, and these are like kind of together. I was asking Ed, not that he crochets and knows what I'm talking about, but I figure I'd ask y'all, and I was going to ask y'all anyway. For the people that made the ruffle sandals, sometimes we notice where they can sag a little bit, you know what I mean? So you don't want them to drag the ground and get dirty or whatever the case may be. So they'll drag the ground. So what I did was took my needle and I thread a piece of yarn through the back all the way around. So essentially like all of this is attached so it doesn't hang. So it still makes a cute cluster, but it's just not as loose as this one. Y'all get what I'm saying? So This is the end of it. Yeah, this is the string. I made this string went from here all the way around and like attached all the ruffles together so that they don't drag and get like dirty. You know what I mean? Because especially with acrylic yarn, eventually it's gonna like give, I would think. So let me know what y'all think about it. I think they both still eat. I can see where one would want this, and I can see where one would be like, oh, this is cute too. But I'm gonna ask my mom if she want them tied up, gripped up, or if she want them like to hang. So that, and then I got a cute little story behind these ones. Super cute. I was just eating. Super, super cute, but get into the details of them. Okay, y'all see that yarn? Is that not adorable? So this is the yarn. Oh, well, I'll get the one out the bag. This is the yarn that, first off, you can see I got for $4. I was at a thrift store and they have a little craft room, and this bag was full of these. So it was probably like 6 of these. I have more of these left. These originally sold from whatever store they sold at. I believe it was on that one for $2.50 a piece. But I got 6 of them for $4. So saved me a bunch. But look at how cute that is. So all I did was 2-strand that with the, is this magenta? I don't know. With this color, and it made that. So these kind of like pop out a little bit. I thought those were pretty fun. She was a fairy. It's giving like fairy vibes. But yeah, that's what I have off my hook so far. Some orders, some on hands that I'm going to wind up selling. And now we have to fix this oopsie whoopsie. So I'm making covers for a size 10 class. So look, almost did it again. Not this one, Dre. I don't know why I'm so used to reaching for this, but I used to use the other one a lot too. Oh, right here. I was about to do it again. So we're starting her shoes over again, and I'm waiting for hopefully Ed's back in time for me to make the Hobby Lobby. I want to bring that summer ween vlog to y'all. Remember I told y'all I wanted to do my first fall inspired or Halloween inspired vlog in summer, so I can do a summer ween. That's what I want to do, but I gotta go to Hobby Lobby and go grab a few materials. So once the egg get big, maybe we'll do a quick little trip to Hobby Lobby. And that's really only if Amazon, I'm just being anxious. So I ordered the materials from Amazon, but I just feel like it's taking so long. And I want to do it now. Like, I feel like I'm going to have the recording time today. I just pulled too much of the guts out, so I got to unravel. Yeah, I'm like a child. Like, when I'm really anxious to do something, I want to do it now. And I think Hobby Lobby has the same things that I'm waiting for. So if I can make it and do it sooner than later, I'd rather do that. And it's not like I'm not going to wind up using the material, because I do have faith that I will like these, and my daughter like these, or somebody want to order these, so I'll have more. But yeah, hopefully we can get that done today and do that Hobby Lobby run. I have a lot to do to prepare for our vacation. So what's today, Monday? I think today's Monday. I hope today's Monday. We have until Thursday or Friday maybe. We leave on the 26th of July. And we do our annual family beach trip for a week, and that's where I can really like de-escalate, relax. Now my last year I crocheted the whole time, but it was all for me. Like, it was no orders. I was so happy. All my orders really jumped like after that vacation, so I got that whole trip to just like create for myself and create for Lyric. And I think I wound up doing like a vlog of what we wore each day while I was down there. So the people that was along for that, hello. I also know a part of this content will likely be like a crochet with me, like road trip crochet with me, or like how far can I crochet until I get there, something like that. Y'all know how those little tutorials be. I'll probably do one of those because we got like a little 2.5 hour ride. So I'm like, maybe I'll do one of those. Let me know what I should make in the car. What do y'all think I can get accomplished in 2 hours and some change? I was thinking like maybe a bikini or like a few pairs of flip-flops, because I think me and Lyric gonna be in flip-flops heavy, because like, why not? It's super quick, super easy to make, and then I can make a stuff surrounding it. So that might be, I might do that. I might just do like, see how many flip-flops I can get done by the time we get there. So yeah, I'm ready to head out. I'm ready to head out. About to have them start their packing. We packing light because if we're not getting into all that this vacation, I always wind up overpacking. The kids wind up not even using half the clothes that I packed. So we just keeping it real light because likely they'll be in like swim clothes. I'm learning each year, like they're not babies anymore, so you don't have to pack all this stuff for them. I still pack super heavy, and we wind up having like all these clean clothes by the time we get back home. I'm just anxious to go. I'm ready to go. I feel like every year we go down there, me and Ed both, oh yeah, we moving here. We moving here. Not necessarily there, but like, you know, when you go away and it's somewhere like real peaceful and you just be like, oh, I can see myself here. That's how it is every year we go. We never want to leave because it's just so peaceful, so quiet. I'm like, I never looked at myself as a beach bum, but when I'm down here, I love being on the beach. I love crocheting on the beach. Like, I love everything about it. Besides the sand, but like especially in the evening or at night, and you just like hearing those waves, like that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm not looking forward to nothing but taking the kids out, putting them to bed, and then headed right to the beach. Like, I can't be the only one. Me and Ed just sit there and we just talk about everything. Like, that is what I'm excited to do. I'm just excited to sit and chill and talk. Top done. So you can really see the difference when they're close together. But you can also see the mistake too, like see where I'm like kind of messed it up. This is slightly darker because the colors are darker, but either way, both cute. All right, it's more like days later, y'all. I've been working, but these are the clocks that I was working on. I love the way they came out, per usual. Definitely a favorite combination. So these are on their way out. Here is some of what's about to be shipped. Was off my hook. Another pair of Spice Girls. Always, I told y'all we're back. They're back. I feel like I'm about to get flooded with croc orders. Matching crossbody. And what I love about these is they can be reversible. That's why I love to play with color, because each side is different. No Spice Girl will be the same. So she got plaid. She has baseball cap. Hello. Baseball cap, crossbody, plaid. She also ordered a set two sets actually for her grandkids. So we have a pair of neutral low Crocs. We have a crossbody to match it. Also reversible because the colors just do their own thing. So we have crossbody and Croc for one, and then she did the same thing but for her younger grand. So here's a smaller pair. Ooh, I hope that's not a mosquito. Here's a smaller pair, and I made her this crossbody to go with hers. So that is what is off my hook and ready to be shipped out. I actually have some more what's off my hook. Let me know how y'all like the tutorial or the crochet with me. I feel like that was more of a crochet with me. For the pencil bow. But y'all know I always gotta just keep going. So not only did I make the pencil bow, so cute. I cannot wait for Lyric to wear this to school this year, because she's definitely wearing this to school until they might possibly tell her not to, because they'd be kind of strict at Catholic school. But I love this bow, and I really want to see her wear it. Not only did I do the bow, I did the composition. My bad, y'all, ass start calling me. I did the composition book. So we got bow, we got composition book. I have a water bottle holder because I feel like the kids letting the Stanley Cups chill. Which I have a cover for the Stanley Cup too, though. I did that a while back, but we backed the water bottles. Leave them Stanleys alone. So a crayon water bottle holder, and the cutest patootis loose leaf paper crossbody bag. So hello, that's adorable for your littles. A+ from Le Crochet. So I just feel like this all looks super swell together, and we're getting these babies back to school. But that's all for the vlog. I feel like it was like, I don't know what I did in this vlog, but it's going up. You gonna see what I did in this vlog because it's going up. I said I'm posting whatever. Y'all know I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. But I do have another tutorial coming up, and then I do have some content coming up on the stuff I'm making to go away, because we go away in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Literally. What's today? Today like Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday. No, today may be Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, release Saturday. So 3, 2, 1. We are out of here. So only got 3 days to finish up all orders, because I want majority of orders out, and then start crocheting some stuff on the road for me and my girl to wear while we on our little vacay. So all right, y'all, over and out until next time. I'm about to get back to work, and my next vlog will probably be me working on these on hands, actually crochet with me these on hands, because they're knocking at my inbox like, where are they, where are they, where are they? So yeah, let me start finishing these on hands, and I'll see you on the next vlog.